Hey, hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can quickly and very easily install WordPress on your hosting. In order to do that, you need access to your hosting's cPanel account. Let me log in into the cPanel. So once we are logged in inside the cPanel, we can see a console like this. This console might look a bit different in different hosting providers, but the content inside it will remain more or less the same. Now, what we need to do is we need to go to wordpress.org in order to download WordPress. In order to download WordPress, we just have to click this Download WordPress button. Let me download the WordPress 4.5. You can see that the download has started. As we can see that the download has now finished, let's open this file in a new folder. Let me cut this file and paste it on my desktop. Alright, there we have it. Now let me just go back to my cPanel. You can see that we have a File Manager option under the Files tab. Let me open the File Manager. Once inside the File Manager, we need to navigate to public_html. Let me click on this. You can see that this directory is empty right now. All I have to do is upload this WordPress that I downloaded into this empty directory. So I just need to select the file and I will just quickly upload this. So the upload has now finished. Let's go back to the root folder. There we have it. This file has been uploaded to the public_html folder of our hosting. This public_html is also known as the root folder of the hosting. Let me click on this and extract this folder. So let me click on this and I'll extract it in the root directory. So all I have to do is just click on the extract files. Extraction has now completed. Let's close this. You can see that now we have a WordPress folder. If I go inside the WordPress folder, I will find more files. I need to select all these files. So if I click on select all these files will be selected, and then I need to move these files to the root folder, that is public_html. So when I select all of these files, I have to click on move, and then it is asking for me the location to move these files. Let me make it as public_html only. Click on the move file button. Let's go up one level, and there we have it. So here we have all the files that we extracted from the WordPress 4.5 zip and then moved out from the WordPress folder. Now let's go back to the cPanel as we need to create a database for our WordPress. So in order to create a database, all I have to do is click on the MySQL databases under the database tab in cPanel. Let me create a database as test and then click on the create database button. Database has been created. Let's go back, and then what I need to do is I need to create a user for this database. So what I'll do is I'll create a user and I'll give it a password like Okay, and then once I'm done, I'll just click on Create User button. Go back. So now I have a database and a database user. Let me now allocate this database to the database user. So the user is admin pre underscore user and the database is admin pre underscore test. All I need to do is select the user from this drop down and select the database from the drop down and then click on add. I need to assign what are the various privileges that the user admin pre underscore user will get to the database admin pre underscore test. I need to do all privileges. So I will select all the privileges over here and then I'll click on make changes button at the bottom. Let's go back. And as we can see that now our database admin pre underscore test has been allocated the user admin pre underscore user. Let's go back and type the URL of a website wordpressbuilder.net /wp -admin. Alright, so in order to install WordPress now, we need to go to the root URL which will be shown by pressbuilder.net / and then add wp-admin after that. Once I'm done typing this, I'll just click on the enter button. We will be taken to this screen. I need to select my language and then click on the continue button. It gives me a welcome message and then it also asks me to have information like database name, database username, database password and database host. And it also asks for a table prefix. Now I have all these information ready with me. Let's go forward. Alright, so it's asking me for the name of the database. So I have already created the database and let me copy the name of the database. Control C and I'll just quickly paste it over here. And then I also need the database username. So this is the database username. I will once again copy this and paste it over here. And okay, I need to make sure that there are no spaces. Alright, and I also can type my password that I created for this user. Alright, and then the database host will be localhost and the table prefix can be left as wp underscore. This is fine. Let me now just click on the submit button and run the install. So it's asking me to give a site title. Let me give it as test, and the username, it's asking me to give a username for WordPress. So I'll just give it admin press, and then it's asking me to give it a password. Let me give it a simple password. Alright, and then in case the password is weak, it will ask us to confirm the user weak password. So let me just click over here and I can give an email address over here. So let it be adminpress @pressbuilder.net. I can give any email address for this place. And once I'm done, I can also select if I want to enable this site to be located by the search engines or not. So once I'm done, I'll just click on the install WordPress button. There we have it. WordPress has been installed and now we can log in using our username and password. So let's click on login. So our username is admin press and password, and let's click on the login button. So now we have successfully logged in into the dashboard of WordPress. This is how you can very quickly and easily install WordPress on a live server. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.